Life, the most profound enigma of the universe, has fascinated humans for millennia. It is the defining force that animates the living world, from the tiniest bacterium to the largest blue whale, from the microscopic cells in our body to the sprawling forests that breathe in carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Life is not merely a biological phenomenon. It is a tapestry woven from science, philosophy, emotion, and mystery. This documentary will embark on an exploration of what life is through various lenses: biological, philosophical, evolutionary, and existential. Subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our mind-blowing documentaries. The spark of life. The story of life begins nearly 4 billion years ago in the primordial seas of a young Earth. At the time, Earth was a hostile planet, covered in oceans of molten lava, toxic gases, and relentless volcanic eruptions. It took millions of years for the Earth to cool enough to sustain life as we understand it. The origin of life is one of the greatest scientific mysteries, with researchers divided on whether life began in the deep sea, hydrothermal vents, tidal pools, or through chemical reactions within the Earth's atmosphere. One theory is that complex organic molecules formed in the early oceans, where they coalesced into the first primitive life forms, self-replicating RNA molecules, leading to the development of the first single-celled organisms. For millions of years, Earth's only inhabitants were microscopic bacteria and archaea. But despite their simplicity, these organisms contained within them the blueprint for all future life: DNA. This molecule, composed of just 4 basic chemicals, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, carries the instructions for building every living organism on the planet. Evolutionary dance. Over billions of years, life on Earth evolved through natural selection, a process described in Charles Darwin's groundbreaking work On the Origin of Species. Life adapted to the Earth's changing environment, developing complex forms and diverse ecosystems. The first multicellular organisms appeared in the oceans around 600 million years ago. These early animals, like sponges and jellyfish, were simple compared to today's creatures, but they marked a leap in complexity. The Cambrian explosion, around 540 million years ago, saw a rapid diversification of life forms, giving rise to many of the major animal groups we know today, from arthropods to chordates. Evolution is the process by which life constantly adapts to its environment. Those organisms that are better suited to survive in their environment pass on their genes to the next generation, leading to gradual improvements in survival and reproduction. This evolutionary journey has produced a stunning array of life forms, from the simple bacteria to complex creatures like birds, mammals, and eventually humans. Each species, from the smallest insect to the tallest tree, represents a triumph of life's ability to adapt and thrive. Life's complexity. Life, when examined through the lens of biology, is a marvel of complexity. At the most fundamental level, all life is composed of cells, the basic units of life. Each cell functions as a microscopic factory, performing essential tasks like metabolism, replication, and energy production. Cells themselves are composed of proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids, all of which work together to sustain life. In multicellular organisms, cells form tissues, tissues form organs, and organs form complex systems that keep the organism alive. For instance, in humans, the circulatory system pumps blood, delivering oxygen to tissues, while the nervous system processes sensory information and coordinates responses. The diversity of cellular function across species demonstrates life's ability to evolve solutions to the challenges of survival. But beyond the biological, life is also an intricate web of interactions. Organisms interacting with their environment, competing for resources, reproducing and forming communities. These ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to coral reefs, are delicate networks where each life form plays a role. Disturbances in one part of the ecosystem can ripple through, causing imbalances and even extinctions. The human experience. For humans, life is not just about biological survival. We have evolved complex brains capable of abstract thought, language, and culture. This intellectual and emotional capacity has given rise to civilizations, art, science, and philosophy. Humans constantly seek to understand the meaning of life, a question that has led to countless theories, ranging from religious explanations to philosophical musings. Many religions view life as a gift from a higher power, with a purpose tied to morality and the afterlife. Philosophers, on the other hand, have grappled with existential questions about the nature of existence. Thinkers like Socrates, Descartes, and Nietzsche have offered varied interpretations of life, ranging from seeking happiness and virtue to confronting the apparent meaninglessness of existence. Psychologically, humans are unique in their awareness of mortality. The knowledge that life is finite adds an additional layer of complexity to our existence. We build relationships, seek meaning in our work, and strive to create legacies, all while being acutely aware of death's inevitability. Life in the universe. Is Earth the only place where life exists? As of now, Earth remains the only known planet that harbors life. However, the vastness of the universe leads scientists to wonder if life could exist elsewhere. The search for extraterrestrial life involves scanning distant planets for biosignatures, chemicals or conditions that might indicate the presence of life. Mars, Europa, a moon of Jupiter, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, are prime candidates within our solar system. Astrobiologists speculate that life beyond Earth could take forms we can scarcely imagine, thriving in conditions that would be deadly to humans. Some suggest that life may not even be carbon-based, but could instead rely on alternative biochemistries. The possibility of discovering life beyond Earth raises profound questions about our place in the universe. Are we alone, or is life a common occurrence in the cosmos? If life exists elsewhere, what might it look like, and how would its discovery reshape our understanding of life itself? The fragility of life. While life has proven remarkably resilient, it is also fragile. Extinction is a natural part of life's history. The Earth has seen 5 mass extinction events, where significant percentages of all species were wiped out, often due to catastrophic environmental changes such as asteroid impacts or volcanic eruptions. The most recent of these, the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, occurred 66 million years ago, wiping out the dinosaurs and paving the way for mammals and eventually humans to dominate the planet. Today, human activities threaten the delicate balance of life on Earth. Habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation of resources have led to the current biodiversity crisis, with species going extinct at an alarming rate. The interconnectedness of ecosystems means that the loss of one species can have cascading effects on others. The meaning of life. As humans contemplate their place in the universe, the question arises, what is the meaning of life? From a biological standpoint, life's purpose is survival and reproduction. But for humans, life often holds deeper significance. Some find meaning through relationships, love, and family, while others pursue fulfillment through work, creativity, or spiritual practices. Existentialists argue that life has no inherent meaning, and it is up to each individual to create their own purpose. The search for meaning is deeply personal, with each person navigating their own journey through life's challenges, joys, and mysteries. Life as a tapestry. Life is an intricate, dynamic, and fragile phenomenon. From its humble beginnings in the primordial seas to the complexity of human consciousness, life has taken countless forms, adapting and evolving in response to an ever-changing planet. But while life on Earth has proven resilient, it remains delicate, shaped by forces both natural and human-made. As we continue to explore the mysteries of life, whether by studying cells in a laboratory or gazing at the stars in search of extraterrestrial civilizations, we are reminded that life is precious. It is a fleeting, beautiful journey through existence, filled with wonder, complexity, and meaning, however we choose to define it. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the wonders of life. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for the complexity and beauty that surrounds us every day. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating documentaries that unravel the mysteries of our world and beyond. Stay curious, stay inspired, and remember, life is a journey worth exploring together.